Hello,
Hi there, how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you, Ariana?
Wow, you sound really happy. That's good. I'm doing good as well. Thank you for asking. Your name is Ramzan?
Yes, my name is Ramzan.
Ramzan, awesome. I'm from California. And you?
Mhm. I am from India, northern part of India.
Northern part. What state? City?
Jammu.
Jammu.
Jammu and Kashmir. Have you heard about it?
Never. I have never heard of it.
Okay, no problem. So, what's your profession?
What's my profession?
Mm-hmm.
I, apart from Cambly,
Yes.
I have a business, Ramzan.
So, I mean, any online business or offline?
No, it's a brick and mortar business. Services that I have. I have a makeup studio, you can say. Yeah, because it's
Okay.
not a beauty salon. But yeah, how about you? What do you do for a living?
I am a software developer, so working on websites and mobile apps.
Hmm. Oh, that's
Ye-
cool. Are
Yes.
you working for a company now or developing some apps?
I was working for a company in last 2 years, but afterwards, when COVID started, I started my own work.
Hmm.
So yes, working on freelancing. So about California, can you please tell me a bit about the culture, what you
The,
like about the California and what you dislike?
what I like. Okay. Um, like is that one's easy. I like that it is very how can you say it? Universal, very versatile. You can
Mhm.
find many restaurants, many cultures, many type of people and ethnicities. What else? I like that it's a very big state.
Mhm.
Um, I like that it's warm. It's not so cold. What else? What else do I like, Ramzan? Hmm. I'm thinking. Have you heard anything about California?
Yes, I heard about the California that this is the biggest city.
Hmm.
Yes.
State, yeah.
Yes,
I
biggest
would
state.
say it's the second biggest state.
Mm-hmm.
The biggest one in the U.S. would be Texas.
Okay.
Are you familiar with Texas?
Yes, I heard about it.
Yeah, so Texas. What else? What I don't like.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, what do I not like about California? That's a really hard question, Ramzan.
Not hard. You are living in California from I mean, so many years. You would have experienced
Yeah,
problems.
I mean, I was born and raised here, and it's not that but there are things that annoy me. But I really like California. Maybe I could say the dryness in some places. I live in the valley, so
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't rain so much. It doesn't snow. Mm, what else? Oh, I know. Um, there's not a lot of public transport.
Okay. So people are having personal?
But yeah, cars. Most I can say, I don't know, 95% of Californians have a car. They
Okay.
need to have a car. Um, and maybe the housing, real estate
Mm-hmm.
is kind of, increasing on price. So that's something I could say is that I don't like. That's about it. Yeah.
Okay, great. And what about the education system? I mean, that is quite advanced than other states?
Um, it depends. It depends on the county. Some counties have a better budget. They have more access to education or higher education. Some counties don't. So it's the same within states.
Mm-hmm.
There's like nothing better or nothing more low.
Okay.
Yeah. How about you? How about in your city?
Yes, my city is great. Actually, we have the greenery, and this state is known as the paradise on earth. So,
Really?
yes, that is because we have the greenery, we have the cool environment here. There is neat and clean, don't have any type of pollution,
Uh-huh.
and yes, less population.
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of tourists who visit from all around the world in this state. So that's why this is quite, uh, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
fortunate that I'm living in that.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. Not
Yes,
many people can say that nowadays. Can you type the name of your state on the chat, please? I'd like to
yes,
Google it. I can find some pictures maybe.
yes, yes, of course.
Jammu and Kashmir. So this is a
So
complete name?
yes, yes, this is a complete name, and I mean, you are living with your family, or you are away from them?
Oh, I live alone. I became independent around 3 years ago, which is cool.
Okay,
How about you?
which is cool.
Yeah, you know, um, once you become a bit older, you need, a bit more privacy. So it's better.
So
Um,
I mean, the people who are living in your country, so all of them are having same type of mindset, or you are only having that?
I think it depends on how your parents raise you.
Okay.
Um, but I would say it's more like 80-20. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
80% like to quickly. 20% are more attached to their parents. It depends on the person. How
Okay,
about
so
in
you mean that you are fulfilling your own expenses in your own behalf, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Yes, we are having also the same thing, but that is the different. I mean, you are saying that 80-20, so this is 20-80.
Really?
Yes. 80% of the people prefer to live with their parents, and maybe they are also dependent on them.
Hmm.
So 20% are those who are interested to become independent and more focused on their own goals
Hmm.
and try to achieve something in their own life.
Hmm.
So this is the way. So this means that you are little advanced because you are having the culture in which you are providing the environment to your childrens that they must have to go out from their homes and become independent.
Hmm. So you think that is a good thing or is that a bad thing?
That is little bit good. Why? Because in some cases you are completely losing your parents. I mean, you keep yourself away from them, and maybe you don't care about them that what they are doing. And I mean, you are more focused on yourself. So there is a bigger gap
Hmm.
with
Well,
your
yeah,
parents.
that is
Yes.
true. But like I said, it depends on how can I say, the children are raised. And even though I am apart from my parents, I don't live far away. Mm,
Mhm.
maybe 25 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes. And I visit them often. So it's not like I see them once a month, twice a
So
month.
you mean that you got married and because of that you are living away?
No, I'm not married. I'm single.
Okay, so I mean, you are living with your friends?
I was, but right now I'm on my own. My friend moved down south. Um,
Mhm.
I'm not sure if she'll come back. But right now, yeah, you can say like alone, which is cool. I like it. But it is a bit more expensive. We would share the expenses on the rent. Um,
Mhm.
eh, but it's fine. I
Yes,
don't.
yes. I mean, you like to live alone, so that's better. Of course, you are interested to live alone, so that's the best thing.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Because
Um,
you are more satisfied with that.
I